Hi students, today we are starting our next topic of the chapter, that is population size and distribution. India's population size and distribution by numbers. India's population was in 2019 was 1352,642,280, which accounts for 17.5% of the world's population. India's population distribution by density. Population density is calculated as the number of persons per unit area. Population growth and processes of population change. The numbers, distribution and composition of population are constantly changing. This is the influence of the interaction of three processes, that is birth, death and migration. Now processes of population change or growth. Three main processes of change of population are birth rate. Birth rate is the number of live births per thousand persons in a year. In India, birth rate always have been higher than death rate. Death rate is the number of death per thousand persons in a year. Migration. It is the movement of people across regions and territories. Migration can be international or internal. International means between the country and internal means within the country. It influences the distribution of population within the nation. In India, the rural-urban migration has resulted in a steady increase in the percentage of the population in cities and towns. Population growth. Growth of population refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a country/territory during a specific period of time. This change can be expressed in two ways. In terms of absolute numbers. The absolute numbers are obtained by subtracting the earlier population. Now in terms of percentage change per year, it is studied in percent per annum. Example, a rate of increase of 2% per annum means that in a given year, there was an increase of 2 persons for every 100 persons in the basic population. This is referred as annual growth rate. Now age composition. The age composition of a population refers to the number of people in different age groups in a country. The population of a nation is grouped into three broad categories. Children generally below 15 years, they are economically unproductive and need to provide with the food, clothing, education and medical care. Working age 15 to 59, they are economically productive and biologically reproductive. They comprise the working population. Aged above 59, they may be working voluntarily but they are not available for the employment through recruitment. Now sex ratio, it is determined as the number of females per thousand males in a population. It is an important social indicator to measure the extent of equality between males and females in a society at a given time. Now literacy rate. According to the census 2011, a person aged 7 years and above who can read and write with understanding in any language is treated as literate. India's literacy rate is 73% as per the census of 2011. Now occupational structure. The distribution of the population according to different type of occupation is referred to as the occupational structure. It is classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. Now primary activity includes agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, fishing, mining, quarrying. Secondary, it includes industry, building and construction work. Tertiary, it includes transport, communication, administration, etc. Health. It is an important component of population composition which affects the process of development. The substantial improvement in the public health in our country is the result of many factors such as prevention of infectious disease and application of modern medical practices in diagnosis and treatment of ailments. Now adolescent population. Adolescents are grouped in the age group of 10 to 19 years. They are most important resources for the future. It constitutes 1/5 of the total population of India. Nutrition requirements of adolescent are higher than those of a normal child or adult. Now National Population Policy. The National Population Policy 2000 provides a policy framework for imparting free and compulsory school education up to 14 years of age. It also helps in reducing infant mortality rate to below 30 per 1000 live births, achieving universal immunization of children against all vaccine preventable diseases, promoting delayed marriage for girls and making family welfare a people-centered program. NPP 2000 also put emphasis on the other important needs of adolescents, including protection from unwanted pregnancy and sexual transmitted diseases. It aims towards encouraging delayed marriage and childbearing, education of adolescents, but risk of unprotected sex, making contraceptive services accessible and affordable, providing food supplements, nutritional services, strengthening legal measures to prevent child marriage. Concept of animal population dynamics can be applied to human population growth. Humans are not unique in their ability to alert their environment. For example, beavers' dams alter the stream environment where they are built. So today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.